Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I'm a mother of two and I am trying to get in control of my home. So thanks for joining me. The first thing I'm going to do on this day is write my to-do list, and I want to clean the downstairs rooms, also make a pot of vegetable soup, and wash one load of clothes. So when you come into our living room, you can see it's very well lived in. We love to curl up and watch movies at night, so that's why all the blankets are there, also my coffee cup and just random paraphernalia. So the first thing I'm going to do is just put a trash can right in the middle of the room so that I can easily throw away garbage. I'm also putting on my Fit Watch so that I can keep track of my steps for the day, because if you don't put the watch on, then you don't get credit for the steps, right? So I'm just taking all the dishes out that me or my husband have left, and I'm trying to get as many dishes as possible. Also putting down all of the footstools on the couch so that I can tidy it up. So I've been trying to drink 1 gallon of water every day, and I've noticed some benefits. So I highly encourage you to drink as much water as you can. Aim for that 1 gallon because you will see more energy and an increased mood, or at least I have. I'm using this Method bamboo spray to wipe down our couch. This is not a leather couch, it's a fake leather. So we can use pretty much any spray to just wipe off any crumbs or messes from the dog, baby, or us. And I just love it when it's nice and clean. Now that I've cleared all the junk, I can vacuum, and I'm just showing you some eucalyptus essential oil. I'm just sprinkling a few drops on a piece of toilet paper, and then I'm going to vacuum it up so that my vacuum can disperse all the lovely eucalyptus smell. You can use any essential oil. I like eucalyptus, and this is a doTERRA bottle I've had for a few years, but if you had some lavender or peppermint, it would just make your living room or whichever room smell a little nicer. Now that I've finished vacuuming the living room, I'm going to move on to our downstairs bathroom. It just needs a quick tidy, and I'm not going to do a deep clean, but I'm just going to do a few things. So if you're waiting for motivation to hit you, stop waiting and get up and do something. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be completely beautiful. Just make it a little nicer. So I just sprayed the toilet, letting it soak, and I'm going to scrub it out. After I scrub the toilet, I'm just going to leave the brush propped in there so it can dry, and then I'll move it later on. I had washed the shower curtain weeks ago, and I'm finally getting around to hanging it back up in the bathroom, but better late than never, right? At least I'm doing it. So I'm not going to beat myself up about that. I'm just going to hang it up now so it looks a little nicer and move on with my life. So after I swept this tiny bathroom, there was still some debris and pieces of dirt, so I got the dust buster and just went around the edges and picked up a few more little particles so it'll be nice and clean. Okay, it's our turn to clean the kitchen, so I'm going to start that in just a minute. Let me put baby down and clean up. Before I start cleaning, just wanted to show you my vegetable beef soup that I made, and we ate that for lunch and dinner. It was very good. Now I can clean up all the mess from it. Now that I've cleared all the dishes away, I'm going to sprinkle some baking soda and then also some vinegar, and I'll use that to clean my sink. It's just much safer than standard cleaning products. We have pets, we have a baby, and we just don't need all those chemicals in our life. Now that the sink is clean, I've dried it a little bit, and I'm just going to take some olive oil and rub it on the stainless steel, and that will make a nice shiny sink that no one will want to put dishes in, right? So you could use some toxic cleaners to make your sink shiny, or you could just use a tiny bit of olive oil. I'm just moving some green onions that I have growing in the kitchen. Are you growing anything right now? I am trying to grow these green onions, but I might need to plant them in the yard. I don't know. Thank you so much for joining me today as I got a few things done and cleaned my downstairs. I was able to accomplish my to-do list, and I cleaned the living room, bathroom, and kitchen. I also made my soup, and I did delegate the washing one load of clothes to my husband, which he did, so that counts. Yay me for delegating. Have a great day, y'all. Thank you.